I bought a lot of helmets throughout my life. You can see the one that survived behind me on the side and up top. But I bought an helmet lately that made me think, why do we buy the helmets we buy? So now for the chit chat, let's get on it. The last helmet I bought is this Scorpion Exo T520 Golden State. In reality, I bought this helmet to actually hang up there because it was cheap. So I was browsing Amazon, saw it for $87. This is usually a $220 helmet, but for $87, I said, I always wanted one and I want to hang it in the garage. I'm gonna buy it. But I wasn't quite ready for the surprise that this would become my favorite helmet today. Don't worry, this is not a review of the Scorpion Exo helmet. This is just a way of me to tell all those guys out there that think that they need to go buy a $1,000 helmet, $800 helmet, because one of the other YouTubers told them to. Yami or Campisi or whoever out there that does review on those helmets says, oh yeah, Arai is the best, so I'm gonna buy Arai, everybody needs to buy Arai, or my friends that buy nothing that is not branded Ducati for $700, $800, maybe $900. The point I want to make is I've had a lot of helmets. Years go by and there I am with a multitude of different kind of helmet. Now a motocross helmet over there, an adventure helmet over here. This is Nex. For you guys that follow my channel, you see this is Nex number 2. The other one is up there right now because it was time to retire. Love this helmet. Great bang for the buck. You get a lot for this, so much so that if you look at the Touratech helmet and you look at this one, guess what? It's the same helmet, but instead of saying Nex, it says Touratech and it costs $200 more because that's what they do. But this is an adventure helmet and decent enough for adventuring around. And then, among others, I'm skipping a few. There was this AGV K5S helmet. Love the helmet, super light, super aerodynamic, and again, DOT approved. This helmet at the time was $500, something like that. This time around, the size was right for my head, but not for my cheeks. So when I bought this helmet, on top of the $500 that for the helmet itself, I had to spend another $100 for another set of cheek pads. The helmet is an XL and I had to buy L size cheek pads because they were thicker and they fit my head much better. So there we go again, a $500 helmet plus whatever else I spend, and then it's not perfect. Somebody might have eyeballed this helmet. This is full carbon fiber. This, because I found myself enjoying those Nex helmets so much, is another Nex helmet. This is the Nex XR3R. It's their race helmet, and it's, as I said, it's very light. It's made out of carbon fiber. Comes with 2 visors. It comes in Nex fashion. It comes with a lot, and it's a great helmet for when I go ride with my friends and I know I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna do 2-3 hours riding, pushing a little bit. And this helmet was quite expensive. I think Ripzilla right now is selling it for $700 or something like that. I was able to get it from another vendor for a lot cheaper, and I like it quite a bit. But then again, for everyday riding, I don't know, I don't want to wear my super quality helmet just to go around and miss street. So that's where the Scorpion comes in. Super cheap helmet, DOT ECE rated polycarbonate, while most of the others were some sort of fiber, like aramid, fiberglass carbon fiber mix, full carbon fiber, like that AGV right there or the Nex behind me over there. This one is just polycarbonate, puny polycarbonate, just plastic, but it's still just as safe. So in theory, what they say is that the difference in price is not a matter of safety, it's a matter of comfort and lightness and whatnot. So how come I like an $87 helmet rather than a $700 helmet? Well, because this helmet is perfect. And when I say perfect, I really mean it doesn't push anywhere. Constant and equal pressure all around. The cheek pad push exactly the right amount, and on top of that we have the 1990s pump inside where you pump it up and pump it down. I feel like I'm wearing a pair of Reebok from the mid-90s. But although this is not the lightest of the bunch, because the fit is so perfect, because it doesn't wiggle around on my cheeks, it feels lighter than those others. So much so that I put it on the scale with the AGV and with the full carbon. And this is this is 100 grams heavier than both of them, but somehow it feels lighter than both of them. This whole spiel to say that it's better to go and try out an helmet than just go buy $7, $8, $1,000 or $4,000 Valentino Rossi Pista full carbon helmet, because maybe it doesn't fit your head. And if it doesn't fit your head, doesn't matter how much you spend on it, you're gonna hate it. You're gonna end up loving the way it looks, but never wearing it to ride around. As much as everybody keeps saying, oh, this is the best helmet, oh, that is the best helmet, oh, no, I only wear Shoei, oh, no, I only wear Arai. I love Arai, I love Shoei. I had multiple of both those brands and multiple out of many other brands. But then in the end, never thought I would say this, a sub $90 helmet is the one I actually wear daily today. Because it fits best, it feels the best, and although this is not the best, it's the best for my head. I figure I'm gonna share this so that if you're wearing your icon and your fancy friends are making fun of you because it's just an icon, or if you're wearing whatever other helmet that is not super expensive but it feels great on your head, forget your friends. As long as it's DOT, hell, this one is even ECE rated, which is stricter than DOT. That's all that matters. It's safe, fits best, and it doesn't matter who makes it. So don't be like many people where they go buy a Ducati V4R, they buy the $4,000 Pista helmet, and then end up selling the motorcycle 10 years later with 1,000 miles on it, because they never ride it. Buy what you can afford, make sure it fits properly, rated properly, and that is it. Ride as much as you can, you're gonna be a way better rider if you ride more than if you ride less with more expensive gear. This is it for today. Thank you very much to my patrons. This video is not to promote this helmet, although the link is down in the description. It's not to promote any brand. This video is to tell you guys, especially those that keep following me and that I'm very appreciative for, that you can actually have good things that don't cost a fortune. And that is usually my mantra. I don't like to waste money. I work for my money, and I don't want to buy a $1,000 helmet just so I can show off to my friends. I'm past that, and eventually you'll pass that too. When you get to a certain age, you stop caring less and less what people think and what people say, and you're gonna start caring more and more of what's best for you. So for everything I used in this video and the helmets, I'll see how many link I can put in the description. Other than that, I hope this will save you guys some money. Dai tutti, and I'll see you next time.